Welcome to the Department of Pesticide Regulations CalPest video series. The topic of this video is new product registration. After logging into CalPest, you'll be brought to the main dashboard. You will have the ability to submit a new product registration for a company you are associated with. To start a new submission, locate the New Submission tab on the top right of the screen. From here, you will see multiple new submission types you can select from, such as product renewal, data submission, new product submission, amendment submission, company creation request, company change, company name request, special local need, and emergency exemption. We will now demonstrate the process for submitting a new product submission. Once you have selected New Product Submission, CalPest will navigate you to the application screen where you will need to provide specific information regarding the product that you would like to register with DPR. The new product application is made up of three major components: details, documents, and summary. On the details page, in the first box, indicate which company you are submitting the new product application for. Next, fill out the general information section, including the registration type, special registration type, and federal concurrent type. For registration type, you can select Section 3 Regular Registration, Section 5 Experimental Use Permit, and California-only registrations such as adjuvants. For this demonstration, we will select Section 3 Regular Registration. Next, for special registration type, select at least one of the following items: New Active Ingredient, Major New Use, Special Local Needs Section 24C Full Product, Interim Registration, or Not Applicable. If you qualify for federal concurrent submission under DPR's criteria, select the option that is consistent with your submission. If your submission does not qualify for concurrent review, select Not Applicable. Moving on to the product information section, the first part is product brand name. Fill in this section exactly as the product brand name appears on the label and all federal documentation, if applicable. Refer to the pop-up box on your screen for additional product brand name guidance. Next up, you'll be filling in the U.S. EPA registration number and product type section. For product types, you can select additional brand name, master label, supplemental distributor, or not applicable. If you are associated with a supplemental distributor, please note that you will need to fill in the firm number of the supplemental distributor company in the third space under U.S. EPA registration number. If you are not a supplemental distributor company, leave this third field blank. Next, you will need to inform DPR what the signal word of the product is. This must match the signal word found on the label you are submitting. For container information, describe the actual containers that hold the formulated product. Specify the container type, composition, and size that will be sold and distributed in California. In our example, the composition type is plastic, the container type is a bottle, and the size is 25 fluid ounces. For pesticide classification information, first select either biochemical, chemical, microbial, or other. Then, select the applicable options for the pesticide category and use. For each of these sections under pesticide classification information, select all options that apply to your specific product. If you do not see a specific classification, category, or use that fits your product, select Other and specify the category or use. After filling out the pesticide classification information, continue to the pesticide formulation information, which includes the formulation classification, such as solid or liquid, and then the formulation type, such as aqueous concentrate or granular. If the product does not fit any of the options, select Other for the formulation classification and specify the formulation type. The last section of the application is pesticide application method information, which includes intended application methods, such as direct to foliage or to soil, and pesticide application methods, such as fumigation or spray. Again, if you do not see an option that fits the description of your product, please select Other and specify the pesticide application method. Please note that every field must be filled out before you can advance to the next screen. If there is a missing value, a banner at the top of the screen will point out the information that needs to be provided before you can move on. When you are ready, select Save and Continue. When you complete your application for a new product registration, you will be directed to the document screen. In the document screen, you can upload your required documents for the submission. The application will allow you to upload PDF, XLS, XLSX, and CSV file types. To upload your documents, click the Select Documents button. When you select your documents, you will see the information for the document name, the document size, the action, and the status columns automatically populate. You will need to select the document category for each document that you upload. For this example, we will upload a cover letter, a US EPA-approved label, the proposed label, a CSF, and data or scientific study. After selecting documents, click the Upload button. When the upload is complete, you will receive a pop-up message indicating that the upload was successful. Once the documents have been uploaded, you still have the option to remove a document from the grid when needed. Once completed, click Save and Continue, which will take you to the summary screen. The summary screen will act as a final confirmation of the information submitted for the product submission. If any updates or edits are needed, you can click the previous button, which will bring you back to the Documents or Details screen. When you have completed your review, click Add to Cart. When the application is done processing, you'll have the opportunity to go back to your dashboard, or you may continue to your cart and proceed to payment options. For additional information, see the CalPest video on payment options. For now, we will go back to our dashboard where you can submit additional applications. For information on submitting an amendment application, refer to the CalPest Amendments video. This concludes our video. If you need further assistance with the topics covered in this video, please refer to the CalPest user guide or reach out to the CalPest team at calpest@cdpr.ca.gov. Thank you for watching.